I use Mayfair Worktops because I've used them before. They were great the last time. The information that they gave out, the samples that they sent, they have a great selection of granite and quartz. I thought the service was great. I was really impressed with the technician that came here, just all the fine details, they were really good. Well, I chose Dover White because it has a nice, fresh, natural look to it, and it's not too clinical. It sets off the petrol blue cabinets. Oh, I really love the work surface. The colour, it really matches the cabinets and it sets off the gold handles nicely. I would definitely recommend Mayfair Worktops. They have an amazing selection to choose from. Their service was great and they were competitively priced.